Hey craft artists, let's decorate for Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland. Artist, my name is I am Dee Dee's Crafts. My life is a craft artist. I hope you're having a great day today. I'm so excited, as you can tell in my voice. We're gonna decorate our room for what? Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland. I love doing these videos every year. I've been doing these for a while now, and hopefully they're getting better and better and better for you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, please. Give me a thumbs up. Please tell your friends about this channel. We're gonna work on this channel, make it better and make it wonderful, so you want to come back and see more videos. So today we're gonna decorate my room for Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland. Everything in this video I bought from Dollar Tree or Walmart, and I love the cheapness. Well, not cheapness, you guys. I mean cheaper. Am I saying that right? No. The things that you can buy on a low budget or cheaper budget for you guys, and I just love it so much. Sometimes you don't have to buy expensive things, but I do love going to Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Store and Fabrics, and also Walmart, and also Amazon, and I do love other stores that sell beautiful, wonderful things for wintertime. So there's a lot of things you can do to decorate your room and your house. So let's get started today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you don't know who I am by now, my name is I am Dee Dee's Crafts. My life is a what? Craft artist, and it's gonna be fun to show you everything in this video. So let's get started. Are you ready? I'm ready. This is the very first Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland video. So let's start decorating. Craft artists, are you ready to decorate? I have all the things I bought from the past couple of years from Dollar Tree and Walmart, and I love what I got out. This is some cute decor, very inexpensive to get you excited about making your room pop. If you don't believe in Christmas, this video is for you guys, and if you do, it's probably for you too. So I got this beautiful decor right here, all the stuff I got from Dollar Tree and Walmart, and I love everything I got. I hopefully you love this video. I hope you get excited about decorating your room for the winter time. So I love this so much, and I do winter and not Christmas because I don't do Christmas because Christmas is only 25 days or whatever, but winter is like 3-4 months, and I can have this up for 3-4 months from November all the way up to January, end of January actually, or maybe February, because spring doesn't start to like March, so you can have this all out for a while. So I know it's fun and exciting for you guys, so let's show you everything one thing at a time. And I love this right here that I bought from Dollar Tree. Isn't this beautiful? And then I bought this from Dollar Tree too. So let's do one thing at a time to show you everything I got for you guys to have for your. So I'm going to show you these 3 signs first, and then we're going to show the rest of the decor in a minute. So let's start with the snowman. Who loves a snowman? I love snowman. Who loves Frosty the Snowman? I did draw a snowman every year since I've been on YouTube, so I'm going to do a really cool artwork with that. I'm going to do several different types of snowmen, you guys, or snow women. I love this one. Look how cute this looks. I love the flannel. Look at this. It's beautiful, wonderful way to decorate your room. This is made out of felt, you guys. So felt is wonderful to have. And it has arms and it has legs. And it looks great to put on your wall or in your window. And it does have another arm for you. I can show you. It does have another arm. And this is what it looks like, you guys. Wonderful, right? To decorate your room, and it has cute little legs, and it's good for anybody's decor in any room or any way you want to decorate. This is really cool. So let's move on to this sign right here that I love. I found this. I almost had a heart attack last year when I first saw this. I said, oh my goodness, a brown girl. I know it sounds probably racist to some people, but I'd never seen anything like this. So I said, oh my goodness. And I bought 2, one for me and one for my mom. Winter blessings. I hope all your blessings come true this year, you guys. And look how cute she looks. I'm going to draw something like this for my YouTube channel too, for my Sketch Artist Fridays. Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland video. I'm going to draw one of these characters as well. She looks so cute. I love the hair. I love the style of drawing. I love everything about this. I love the color scheme. I love how the pretty blues pop, and that beautiful, look at that beautiful glittery words right there. They're so pretty. Let's get closer. That beautiful blue. I love this drawing. Whoever drew this, great job. I love the pretty blue and the blue and white. It makes you want to just go out and play in the snow, doesn't it? So pretty. I love it. So this is a beautiful sign to have for your wall in your beautiful craft room or your art room, or just in your house in general. I love this so much. So I just love this, and I can't wait to draw something like this year. I'm going to do a lot of artwork for December. So yay. And then let's move on to this one right here that I think is really cute as well. It says, let it snow. And let's let it snow, you guys. I hope it doesn't snow yet here. It's just another snowman. I love snowman, you guys, as you can tell. I have a lot of that in this video. So look how cute this looks. And it's wonderful. I'm going to draw lots of snowmen, like I said. I might draw a penguin, also a polar bear. I'm not sure what I'm going to draw, but I am going to draw a couple of snowmen, different ways, different types of snowmen. You know, skinny ones, fat ones, you know, all kinds of ones. And it's so much fun to show you these signs. And I hope you go on Dollar Tree. So I saw this last year in Dollar Tree. And I saw this last year in Dollar Tree as well. And also I saw the snowman also in Dollar Tree. So hopefully you go get these ones right here. And I hope you decorate your room really cute and sassy for your holiday or winter decor. Dollar Tree has some really beautiful snowflakes. I bought these a few years ago. Look how pretty this looks. I have a gray one too, really pretty on the wall already. I already started decorating for this winter wonderland. And look how pretty this one looks. It has glitter and everything on it. It's wonderful. I took the string off this because the string was coming off, but you can't put a string back on it. And this is what it looks like. So pretty and white. I don't know what my color scheme is going to be. I just pick up stuff that I like. See, there's a hole right there you can put. See, you can put right there. Beautiful. I love that. So let's show you some more beautiful snowflakes. These are the ones I bought like 5 or 6 years ago. It's been a minute since I bought these. I have like 8 or 9 of them left. I couldn't find them anywhere else. So we're going to put these on the back of the wall. I want to decorate with these. If I can get them out of this package. But this is what they look like right here. Beautiful and wonderful. And I love them. They're glittery. I love a glittery snowflake, and I love it. This is made out of foam. It's the foam, yeah, foam. And really pretty. I was thinking about making my own accessories and selling them online, you know, for all year round, different occasions and stuff. This is so cool. I love it. So I can't wait to decorate my wall with these beautiful snowflakes. So let's move on to something cool that you guys would love. So take a look at this beautiful winter forest I got here. Got all at Dollar Tree or Walmart, and I love it. I got this because I think they're really pretty and they look realistic, and I love trees. I love nature. And look at this gold one. This gold one is the bomb. I never saw a gold tree before. It has flocking on it, and then I got an all white one right here. And it's a little different, but it's cool. And then you have this one right here. This one's really pretty, I think. They always get stuck together. But this is a really pretty one. You can decorate your desk or your kitchen with, or on a table. I'm going to put this on my wall, next to the wall by the window. It's going to be so cool on a table. I love it. And it's really cool at the bottom. It's so realistic. And I love Dollar Tree and Walmart. And I think they're wonderful to have to decorate your room with. And you can use this all winter time, not just for nowadays. So that's why it's Winter Wonderland themed. Look how close. It's pretty gold, right? Gold glitter. And then this one up close, the white one. Let's see the white one up close in case you want to get a white one. I never saw a white tree before, but this is what I got. Kind of cool, right? You can make different decor out of this. You don't have to, you know, just have trees just sitting there. They look pretty. And also, you can make snow globes out of these. So let's move on to the snow globe that I got from Dollar Tree about 4 or 5 years ago. I think I need a new snow globes. I'm obsessed with snow globes. Comment down below if you like snow globes. So let's shake it up a little bit. Yeah, we need another one. This is an old one that I got for $1 at wonderful Dollar Tree, and I love snow globes. So really cool, really amazing. I think these are cool to have these. There's some really cool ones out there. I just love going to Kmart, and yes, Kmart. I'm talking about Kmart. They had the best snow globes I've ever seen in my life. I'm so sad that Kmart closed up. The last one closed up was a couple weeks ago, back in the end of October. I said, no, I wish I could buy and bring it back. But these are what they look like, you guys. Beautiful forest. Let's move on to something else, you guys. A box right here that you can decorate and put on your table, desk, or decor, or in your kitchen. It says Let It Snow. And it's actually not a gift box, you guys. It's actually, what do you think this says, you guys? You put your what in it? You put gift cards in it. And I thought it'd be fun to have a gift card box on a table next to something like this. This is what I bought at Dollar Tree a long time ago. This is wonderful little things for $1. It's a little thing you can open up and see, and you can put stuff in there. You can make a little candle out of that. Put stuff in there. Change money. Whatever you want to put in there. It's really cute. And this is beautiful decor. Isn't this cute? I love it. Into snowflakes like I am. And this is what it looks like, the box. Let it snow. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's be beautiful decor. You can also put a gift card in here. That's what it's for. To and from, and an amount. And look how cute that looks. This would be so much fun to have for decor on your table. And just give it to your friend when you're done with it. Put a gift card in there at the end of the year. So here you go. Here's a gift for you. And then over here, this is what it looks like on the inside of this. See? This cute little thing. You put whatever you want in this. Change, I mean, you can make lip gloss out of this, whatever you want to do. This is so cute. Fun decor to have. Put on your desk or table or whatever you're going to decorate your room like. So let's do something else, you guys. It's a little town. The bakery, the post office, and the wonderful hotel. I bought all three of these right here, you guys, from Dollar Tree last year, the year before. And they're really kind of cheap, but they're still cute to put on your decor. I love a little town. I love how the things used to be, you guys. How the storefront, the storefronts back in the day, how they decorate them like Macy's does in New York. And I love it, how it looks so cute and elegant. Let me just show you how it looks. And then I got one of these figurines at Dollar Tree as well. This is really cool. I love this. It's a dad and a kid just playing in the snow. I have a lot of these. I got to find all the rest of the town. I have more than just these three. And I have some cute little lanterns too that I have that they're not this for the town, but they're just cute little winter ones that have snowflakes on. They're so cool. And snowman. I can't wait to get it out and show you. So this is so cute to have, right? To decorate your room. So let's go over it like that so you can see. You can add trees to it like I'm going to, like that. It makes it really cute. I do this every year, you guys. So I want to show you a few more things, and we're going to be done showing you what I'm going to do to decorate my room. When you see the next videos, they're going to be all decorated here, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. So I'm so excited. Beautiful, wonderful decor. I call it winter decor or craft decor. This is a beautiful, I love deer. There's a lot of deer around here in my town, and it gets dusty. I bought this in the $5 section last year at Dollar Tree, and it does not work at all. I was going to take it back, but they don't take anything back, I don't think. But I'm going to keep it as decor because I think it's cute, and I loved it. That's why I bought it for. But I love it. Let's get close and personal on this bad boy. This is what it looks like this. And if you see this year, hopefully you buy. I hope it works for you. I bought 2 of them for me and my mom. And it does work on batteries. And it does not work. I tried every battery you can think of. Duracell, Energizer, the cheap ones from Dollar Tree. And it does not work, you guys. And I'm just so disappointed. It's really dusty, though. You got to keep wiping it off. But I love this for the winter time. So I think it's beautiful to have this on a desk or a table or just on a shelf. And it's going to be so much fun. So I have to keep wiping it out because it's real dusty. But I just love it. Let's get closer into it. I love this. I love this kind of decor. So you can use it not just for, you can use it all winter. And that's what it looks like, the candle in there. That's the candle. So, yep, this is so cute. I love it. And I'm glad I bought it. So I also bought this also last year in the $5 section at Dollar Tree. I love this so much. This is a fake, if you don't know that, a fake fireplace, and it's real dusty too. You gotta keep wiping it off. I have not tried this out for batteries. I bought some batteries. I didn't buy enough batteries. I bought some C batteries. It does take C batteries. It has a little handle right here that you can hang on something or whatever. And this is what it looks like. I want to put it over here by my section over here for do the videos at. So I turn the light on, and it does work on batteries right here. C batteries, made in China. But this is so. Let me go back and close. Look how cute that looks. This is so wonderful to have. And you got to keep wiping it down too. So I love it. Such beautiful decor, right? And my mom has the same one. I bought it for her. And it does. Hers lights up and mine doesn't. So I haven't tried this one out yet. But if you find this at Dollar Tree, see if you got one that lights up and actually works. And I don't know. I just love this right here. So let's get everything back in the photo at the end. I just love showing everything at the end, you guys. So thanks for watching this video. This video of me decorating, or at least getting stuff out to decorate. I had so much fun showing you everything. Hope you go into your Dollar Tree and Walmart and buy all things you need to get to make your room pop, make your room wonderful for you for the rest of the year. So I hope you had so much fun doing this. This is the box I bought at Walmart. Walmart special. A couple of these cheese are from Walmart too, not just from Dollar Tree, but most of the things I got from Dollar Tree, and I love what I bought. Wonderful things to have. I love everything I got. I will be adding some more decor. So my theme's kind of like winter girl kind of girl and snowman, snowflakes, and penguins kind of theme. But I want to branch out from that, make a little bit more wonderland themed. I love the snowflakes. I just love snowflakes. They're so beautiful. Look at these. They're just wonderful. You know what I'm saying? Just love to decorate. So I cannot wait to decorate and draw some cool stuff for you guys for the winter time, because winter is a long time. It is 3 months for winter time. It's like every season is. So thanks so much, you guys, and I'll talk to you at the end of the video. Have fun decorating Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland. My amazing crap artists for stopping by to my channel. I know there's a lot of channels out there that are better than mine, that have better decor than mine, that are doing well than mine, but that's not the point here. I'm glad you stopped by. I'm glad you saw what little things you can do to make your room pop and what a little budget you have. Sometimes we don't have lots of money to buy things. So today I thought to myself, let's do a Dollar Tree and a Walmart haul on things I bought for the last couple of years. I'm still going to go to the store and buy some more things to make this room better than what it is. I'm going to work on that wall back there and make that beautiful glitterified with these beautiful, wonderful, let me show you, these beautiful, wonderful crystal snowflakes. That's what I call them, crystal snowflakes. These are so pretty. Dollar Tree fine. I bought these a long time ago, a couple years ago, and I can't find them anywhere else. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, and I hope you liked this video. Hope you enjoyed it. So let's move on to the next. I am Dee Dee Scraps. My life as a craft artist. Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland video, and I can't wait to do more videos on this channel. So thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep crafting no matter what. What?